You might think that in an age of increasing information, the claims of Scripture have been diminished. But what we're actually seeing is that they're being reinforced. And then there's all of the internal witness of the Scriptures, the consistency with which the gospel is presented from the first page to the last, and all of those different authors. You're probably aware that we can't get everyone to agree around the Thanksgiving dinner table around any particular topic, and that division and strife exists there. And yet these authors, who did not all know each other, did not all live during the same time period, have all messaged the same thing with a great consistency and interrelatedness across a period of 4,000 years. The Scriptures are trustworthy and they're true. God reveals himself to us through the Scriptures, those of us who call on the name of Christ. He reveals himself to all of us through his general revelation. Both of these are enormous gifts to us. He did not have to tell us anything about himself, and yet he has. He's told us enough about himself to keep us very busy for the rest of our lives and on into eternity.